Brett Kirk comes to Lugano, and I insist, Brett Kirk, and I have to say it again, Brett Kirk comes for training with the Swiss team and Lugano team. So most of the guys did expect that he could bring something very complicated and Byzantine, something very hard to believe and hard to execute. No way, no way. He brings simplicity, he wants clean things, he wants you back to the basic and having fun. That belongs to great champions. They make it simple for you, they make it simple for yourself. So complication doesn't belong to big champions like him. A free man. This is a very simple drill. This is a very basic exercise, but it is very important. Most of the time you don't want to find a free man only because you have skills enough to win the one-on-one. You just want to pass the ball to the man which is free in that moment. This is very important. How you develop this? Just with a small and tidy and clean and simple exercise. A simple line. This is a drill that I was a bit scared to do before Brett came. Why? Because it is very similar to rugby pass. I didn't want some of the guys to say, oh, this is not rugby, this is Australian football. But Brett told me that I don't have to be afraid of this, because that's where Aussie rules come from. And what he taught us, what a big champion taught us, a simple, very basic pass line. What we do of the complication that we may have in our mind sometimes, we put it in the trash. No complication, keep it simple. Under pressure. The exercise we are going to see is a metaphor, and it works for every kind of team sport. Maybe it also works for companies, for families, for social groups in general. Always you have to find a free man for the decision making. The man under pressure must not take any decision. Let's have a look in ice hockey. If I go to the face-off, it's not me to shoot most of the times. In rugby, if I win a line out, it's not me kicking or running. In Aussie rules, if I catch a high ball, an overhead ball, it's not me starting to run or take any decision. So what I have to do is to find, again, a free man and let him take the decision. A free man must do the decision making. If you want, this is also a big metaphor of life.